welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just finished to film this Fendi Baguette collection and I decided to continue and film a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing because I received this a few weeks ago and I want to show you what's the new baby in my collection. So this is the bag. Suspense. I bought this one on eBay and I've been trying to put my hands on it since Louis Vuitton relaunched this bag again. So long story short, the first one I saw was on Vestiaire Collective. It was listed for 600 euros. Before I bought it, I sent a message to the seller. I never got a reply, and then it was like sold. Then on Vestiaire Collective again, I saw another one listed for 1,500 euros. I was like, hell no. And then I saw one on eBay, I think. I wanted to buy, I didn't buy, then it was like the listing was finished. I sent a message to the seller. I was like, oh hello, is the bag still available? He was like, yeah, it is. It was listed for 600 something. He said, oh, I just relisted it again for you, so if you want you can buy it. And I didn't. So after a few minutes someone bought it and it was really like finished. No bag for me. I was like, okay, maybe it's my destiny, I'm not supposed to have this bag. A few weeks later I saw one listed from UK, from London. The listing, the auction starts for $1 and yeah, I tried, I bid like 100, 200, 400, 5, 6 and it was pounds, and 800 pounds for this bag is a little bit too much because yeah, it's 1,000 for me, 1,000 euros, so I didn't want to pay this much for this one here. What you gotta know is this one is on Louis Vuitton stores for 2,200 euros. So yes, I was like, okay, 2,000 new, 1,000 vintage, but I don't know, 1,000. My heart and pocket just said, girl, stop. And thank you God I didn't buy this, because a few days later I was a little bit sad, but I was like, okay, I can survive without this bag. A few days later I woke up and I checked my favorite seller on eBay and I saw the bag, and the bag was 368, and I was like, okay, I might be still dreaming or something. It's not the price, it's impossible. But no, the bag was in a pretty good condition and it was 300 something, and 3 people watching this bag. I was like, are they crazy or what? Because at car pay, it's finished, it's mine. And thank you God my credit card worked, because I think I bought this one and the pink baguette here at the same time, so my credit was like, girl, it's not gonna pass, it's not gonna pass. And this is a miracle, because the price, the credit card, everything. But now let me show you what it is. So this is the dust bag I received with. I'm not sure it's the original one, but doesn't matter because this is what I got. The Louis Vuitton Bleecker bag. I will show the new version here, but yeah, this baby is back in store. The only difference are the colors. They did this one with new colors. They did it in epi leather. The vintage ones, you have this kind of yellow, I would say. You have it in blue and nude color, and I think that's it. And for the new version, you have it in black epi leather, orange and blue in epi leather, and you have it in red and pink with this patent leather. One of the bloggers I really love is Tamara, and she has this one here, and the new one, of course, in the red color, and it's absolutely stunning. But of course, my wallet is not unlimited, and so I cannot, I'm not going to pay. Okay, I don't know, maybe if I was like super rich, okay, 2,300 euros would be okay for this bag, but no, I'm happy I had this one for, let's say, 400 with the taxes. I think it's a good price. It's a really beautiful, cute bag. Let me just show you the details. So this is how it looks. It's in a really nice condition, and when you open, you have a mirror inside, and this bag is stunning. I really love it. I used this for the Valentine's Day dinner. I had over the knees black boots and a denim dress, and I was like, okay, I need a bag, but I don't know which one I wanna wear with the outfit. And I saw this one on my shelf, and I was like, okay, let me try if it's gonna work, and it was simply stunning. This color goes with absolutely everything. So I'm really happy with my purchase, the price, the condition, the fact that this is a vintage one. It's simply perfection. And let me show you, try to show you what fits inside this one. Hold on. So let me show you what fits inside this bag. Of course, an iPhone will not fit. I tried with an iPhone 6, it doesn't fit, and my iPhone 8 Plus won't fit neither, but that's fine, it's not a big deal. And otherwise, you can put a lot of stuff inside. So let me show you. Let's open this. So let's start with my wallets. I have the cards here, and then you have place for the coins. So inside, like this. Sorry, like this. Then my keys, my AirPods, some tissues, and this is how it looks. So I still have a lot of place for some, and of course I can close this. You still have some place for lipstick, lip balm, maybe a powder, but I'm not a girl who goes out with extra makeup. I should, but I never do this. So super small, but this one here fits a tons and tons of stuff. So really nice purchase. Just let me know, is it a good buy or it's a bad one? What do you think about it? The condition, the price, the bag on itself, I think it's a really nice one, especially now Louis Vuitton are selling them for really like high price tag. I think it's a nice cutie I was able to add to my collection, so I'm super happy. But yeah, just tell me what you think about it. Would you buy it or not? We'll go for the vintage one if you find it, or will you prefer the new one? So yeah, super short video, and as usual, if you wanna check my videos when they are out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram for a daily fashion stuff, fitness, struggling, everything. So yeah, just thank you again for your time, for watching my video, and yeah, thank you and see you in the next